My name is John Dick. I work in the Facilities Management Department, and I am the grounds manager at Brock. On a daily basis, we try to make the campus look as beautiful as it can, from litter and grass in the summer through to snow and ice in the winter. I think I like the whole campus and how green it is, and being on the edge of the escarpment. It's a beautiful place, and it's great to help make it look more beautiful. Since I was a kid, I knew that I liked growing things and wanted to do something like this forever. Okay, so here we are looking at an old hedgerow of Osage Orange trees on campus out in front of the tower. And part of the hedgerow close to the tower is made up of locust trees, and this part is made up mostly of Osage Orange trees. And Osage Orange is an interesting tree that is native to Texas and was brought north by settlers of the area, and they lined their pastures with them because when they're young and vigorous, they're quite dense and full of thorns, so they would keep their animals in their pastures. The fruit becomes quite large. It's like a grapefruit size when it matures, and it's also called brain fruit or cannonball fruit. This is a tulip tree, a native species to this area, and this one is a relatively newly planted one that's doing quite well out by B block here, and it has really neat flowers in the spring that look like a tulip. They're quite large, tulip-sized. You don't really notice them because they flower high in the tree, so from the ground you have to look up for them. And another thing that's interesting that you can see on this tree right now is the way the new leaves unfurl. It's almost like a flag unfurling. So here we are in Jubilee Court, and the trees in here are red maples, and these are another native tree. And this is an interesting tree because it's native all the way from Florida all the way up to the tree line in the north. So there's different genotypes in there, but they're called red maple because they have great red fall color. So you'll see that in the fall in all of these trees in here. They turn those brilliant fall color consistently every year, which is one of the best features of this tree. I do have a garden at home, but it won't be nice until I retire. Oh, I have sort of a strange mix of things at home. When people see my garden, they say, "Oh, this is lush." But that usually means it looks really weedy because I let a lot of things grow that I don't really have space for.